This AI video trend is getting millions of views, and the best part, it only takes a few minutes to create. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make these satisfying jelly object videos completely free using Google Flow. Let's jump straight into it. First, open Google Flow and select the video option. Next, choose OmniFlash as your AI model and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Now paste in this prompt. Replace the object name with anything you want to animate. You can also change the color to create different styles and effects. Before generating, I set the image count to 3, so the AI will produce 3 different variations from a single generation. This gives us more options to choose from without having to generate again. Once everything is ready, click Generate. After a few seconds, the AI finishes processing, and here are the results. With just one generation, the AI created 3 different. As you can see, each variation is slightly different, giving you multiple styles to choose from, while using the exact same prompt. I also experimented with a few other objects, and honestly, some of the results turned out even better. One thing I noticed is that Google Flow has a generation limit. If you run out of generations, you can simply switch to another Gmail account and continue creating. And that's it? That's how you can create these viral jelly object videos completely free. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more free AI tools, AI tutorials, and viral AI workflows, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.